Hi, today we are going to show you how to use Scratch to do some basic computer programming. My name is Bill, and beside me is my son, Alan.
Yeah.
Hello, Alan.
Hello. So we'll be teaching you how to do some basic coding. So my dad's just gonna get into it right now.
Yeah, so first we need to go to scratch.mit.edu
Okay.
to sign in, to get the account.
So I'll be doing this. So what you want to do is type in Scratch. Scratch. And it already knows it because we've been typing this for quite a while.
Yeah. So
But
we go to
if it doesn't come up with that, type in scratch.mit.edu and you will come up with it.
So we enter.
Yeah.
So I can look.
Okay.
So because we already
we already have an account. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's sign out first. So we show people from the beginning.
Yes.
Right? Okay, Alan.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you want to do is, so once you just get onto the menu, click Join Scratch. Just let it load. So choose a Scratch username. It also gives you advice to don't use a real name, so I don't use a real name. So what's our username?
Our username is BillOnline33.
Okay.
Yeah, but we don't need to put here because we already have the name.
Yeah. We already have
so
one.
this is for people who don't have the name, right?
And you choose a password.
Yeah.
We already have a password.
Yeah. So then you click next, then just follow instruction. We don't need to click
My password
because
is
we already have, right? So we close it.
Yeah.
Let's sign in.
So just sign in. Okay. So once you sign in, so you can just scroll everywhere. What you want to do is click on your username up here, where my mouse is. Click it. Go to My Stuff. So if you're a new person, you would not have created stuff already. So like coding. We already created coding. So if you want to create one, click New Project, but we already have one. So we'll show you this game called Escape the Dragon, and then we'll show you some coding later. Okay. So we copied this from a book. So I'll show you the game, and then we'll do some coding. Just let it load for a second. Okay, so I'm just loading into it. So if you want to start a game, by the way, you click the flag up here. Oh, it's so loud! That was so loud. I don't think you guys could hear me on that. Sorry about that. So I'm just gonna, I'll put on mute. Oh wait, let me just put it up a bit. I just need it. I'm just gonna put on 20. So this is
Screen, yeah.
Okay. And I'm just gonna lower this a bit to 6. Yeah, you can hear the slipping. So what you have to do is stand down. So you have to hold on the donut and make the cat not touched by the dragon. And this is your score. It counts as every second. So try to be high score. So and you heard, and I got caught. So that's how you do it. So I'm just gonna exit to show it. No, it's just loading. Exit this. Go to, how do I quit again? I forgot. Yeah, I'm just gonna hand it over to my dad because I forgot. Okay, so we'll be making a new project to show you about all the characters, coding, and things like that. So to begin with things. So click the new project thing. I already showed you guys. Just let it load. Yeah. So when you go into Scratch, so when you make this, you come up with a cat sprite.
So what is a sprite, Annie?
So a sprite is like a character. Yeah, a sprite are the characters in the game. So they're called sprites. So we'll be showing you everything step by step. So this is a like quick tutorial. So sprites is you can add code. So script is the code. So if you go to costumes.
So what's
So-
your costume?
So a costume are it looks like a different movement looks. So like this guy has 2 costumes. So
So
you
every
can,
sprite can have multiple
Yeah.
costumes.
yeah,
Is that
and
right?
you can add a new costume.
Hmm.
So if you get the code, so it'll switch from costume 1 to costume 2 like this.
Yeah.
Looks like it's running.
And the script is what the
Yeah, it's the code, yeah.
sprite can do.
Yeah, the script
you
is
control.
it's the code in.
Yeah.
So you can go to sounds. So I'm just gonna. So you can make sounds. So you can make it. So if you go to scripts, you can make it like. If I go to sound, yeah, you can make a sound. So I'm gonna play this quick sound. So I'm pretty sure you guys heard that. So we'll be moving about these sprites again. So once you go in, you want to make something. So you can. So so click this button here. So when you go to it, so I'm just gonna move my pointer away. And
So you can make your own sprite, or you can choose from the sprite
So I'll
already
show
in the
you
system.
where you can choose the sprites from the system, so like in the game. So these are the categories. And these are the themes, so like castle types, like medieval. And this is, I don't know what that is whatsoever. So as you can see, you can switch all this. I'm just gonna exit this again. So you can create a new sprite. So if you want to make find a new sprite, find a sprite, click this button and look for your one. But if you want to make a new sprite, click this button and it's called a paint new sprite. Okay. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna show you something.
Okay, we just pause here.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We just pause here.